Alright, I'm going to unbox and assemble this WORX Nitro 40 volt 20-inch electric snowblower that I got on Black Friday to see how easy it is to put together. Hopefully this video helps somebody. Please hit the subscribe button and like button if it does, and leave a comment. So let's dive in. Big old box of stuff with bubble wrap on it. You can see all that. So I'm going to pull all that off real quick. No reason for it to stay in frame. It looks like the handle, battery. Second battery. Handle. Another handle. See how hard this is to get out of there. Oh, that's not too bad. Main unit. Hardware. This looks like the chute. And then charger. And 2 more batteries. Okay, here's everything out on the floor. There is 4 batteries in the charger, the chute, the handle for adjusting the chute. It's right there. Then I got to assemble this, which is these 2 handles go on there. And yeah, we'll figure that out here in a second. Okay, so everything's put together. This here is the adjuster for the chute, and you got to put a little muscle into it. And then on the chute, there's a handle you can squeeze down, and that just changes the direction. You can move it this way, up and down, or you can use this if you don't want to bend over when you're in the fight outside. So I got to charge these batteries up and then wait for some snow to fall. Okay, we got our first snow, and I'm going to test out this snowblower. Probably got, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. So there's my test subject. All right, grab it, use it. Okay, what? Start here probably. Go right down the middle of the driveway, and it should shoot it over in the yard.
I don't even know how to start it.
I think you pull this and push that button, or push that button and pull this. I think you push the button first.
Terrible.
And let it. Good. Just push it down the driveway.
Okay.
This is why I got this snowblower, because I don't do snow, but my wife does. Oh, looks pretty clean. I think she needs a face mask on because it's cold out. So we'll kick this back on when she does a turnaround. And this is the finished product. Got the front sidewalk done. Dog area over there by the bushes. Sidewalk. Around the cars. It's the demo. I recommend it. It's just like anything, when you shovel, you're gonna hit some cracks. Hit the like and subscribe button.